Friends, have you ever felt so overwhelmed and exhausted that it seemed like the whole world was pressing down on you? Stress has become our constant companion in the modern world, and it seems there is no escape from it. But what if I told you there are powerful techniques that can help you manage stress and bring back peace and joy into your life? Today, I will share with you the most effective meditation techniques for stress reduction. Stay with us until the end, and you will discover secrets that can change your life forever. Understanding stress and its impact on our body. Before we dive into meditation techniques, let's understand what stress is and how it affects our body. Stress is a natural response of our body to challenges and dangers. In small doses, it can be beneficial, helping us to concentrate and respond quickly. However, when stress becomes chronic, it starts to have a destructive effect on our health. Stress triggers the release of hormones such as adrenaline and cortisol, which increase blood sugar levels, accelerate heart rate and breathing. In the short term, this can help us cope with a threat, but in the long term, it leads to exhaustion, heart problems, immune system issues, and even mental disorders. What is meditation, and how does it work? Meditation is an ancient practice aimed at calming the mind and body, focusing attention, and achieving inner peace. Meditation helps reduce stress levels, improve concentration, enhance emotional well-being, and strengthen health. There are many meditation techniques, each with its own features and benefits. The main idea of meditation is to learn to let go of thoughts and feelings that cause stress and to focus on the present moment. This can be done through breathing exercises, mantras, visualization, or other methods. Meditation techniques for stress reduction. Now, let's look at several powerful meditation techniques that can help you manage stress. 1. Mindful breathing meditation. This is one of the simplest and most effective meditation techniques. Sit in a comfortable position, close your eyes and focus on your breath. Breathe deeply and slowly, feeling the air fill your lungs and slowly exhale. Try to concentrate fully on this process, letting go of all other thoughts. 2. Progressive muscle relaxation. This technique helps relax the body and mind by relieving muscle tension. Lie on your back and close your eyes. Start with your toes and slowly tense each muscle group, holding the tension for a few seconds and then slowly relaxing them. Gradually move up the body until you reach the head. 3. Mantra meditation. Choose a word or phrase that has special meaning for you and evokes positive emotions. Sit in a comfortable position, close your eyes, and begin repeating this mantra silently or aloud. Focus on the sounds and sensations that the mantra evokes, letting go of all other thoughts. 4. Visualization. Close your eyes and imagine a place where you feel completely calm and happy. It could be a beach, forest, mountains, or any other place. Try to imagine this place as detailed as possible. Sounds, smells, sensations. Focus on these sensations, allowing them to envelop you and relieve stress. 5. Gratitude meditation. This technique is aimed at increasing positive emotions and reducing stress. Close your eyes and start listing in your mind everything you are grateful for in your life. It could be people, events, achievements, or simple joys. Focus on these thoughts and try to feel sincere gratitude. Practical tips for successful meditation. Now that you know a few meditation techniques, let's look at some practical tips to help you get the most out of this practice. 1. Regularity. Try to meditate every day at the same time. This will help you create a habit and make meditation an integral part of your life. 2. Comfortable place. Find a quiet and peaceful place where you will not be disturbed. This could be a corner in your home, a park, or even an office. 3. Comfortable posture. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position.
It is important that your body is relaxed, but you can maintain alertness. 4. Patience. Meditation takes time and practice. Do not expect immediate results. Gradually, you will learn to focus better and let go of stress. 5. Use of apps. There are many meditation apps that can help you start and maintain this practice. They offer a variety of meditations, tips, and music to create the right mood. Success stories. To inspire you, I want to share a few stories of people who used meditation to reduce stress and improve their quality of life.
Anna's story. Anna is a mother of 2 and a working professional. Constant stress at work and home began to take a toll on her health and mood. She decided to try meditation and chose mindful breathing. After a few weeks of daily practice, Anna noticed that she became calmer, slept better, and handled everyday tasks more easily. Maxim's story. Maxim is a student preparing for important exams. He constantly felt stressed and anxious about his studies. On a friend's advice, Maxim started practicing mantra meditation. This helped him focus on his studies and reduce his stress levels. As a result, he successfully passed all his exams and continues to use meditation to maintain emotional balance. Meditation is a powerful tool that can help you manage stress and improve your quality of life. Regardless of which technique you choose, the main thing is to start and continue practicing. Remember that your health and well-being are in your hands. Start meditating today and discover a world of inner peace and harmony. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. Let's get 5,000 likes, and I will share how to calculate your financial code using numerology and become successful. Leave a comment below the video. Share your impressions and experiences with meditation. Wishing you peace, tranquility, and harmony in your life. See you next time.